Okay, we're going to start our little workshop on Canva coding by opening up the latest application that I created. And one thing that's been frustrating to me, and perhaps you can find a better solution, is to find those interactive coded apps that I've created. It's not featured in the recent items that I've made, which is really frustrating. And the only way I've found to go and find those documents is really convoluted. So let me show you how you do it. You have to go down to your profile picture, down in the bottom left corner, and you're going to click Settings. From Settings, you have to scroll all the way down to where it says Web Domain. So these are where you're going to find all the things that you've made. Now, I currently have 3 different web domains that are managed by Canva. The first one on the bottom is just the default one that Canva will provide for you for free. You can see that I bought my own domain name. I forget how much it cost, but it was pretty reasonable. So all of the applications that I made will all have the letsgo.com, which I kind of like. So when I click view, you're going to see a whole bunch of things. If I scroll down, oh, here's the price, just $19 a year. What a bargain. As I scroll down, you're going to see a whole bunch of things that I've created. Like I am a addict when it comes to vibe coding. And if I scroll down far enough, I should find the last one that we did for our lunch picnic. And it's not even here. You would think that it would be up here with the recent, but it's not. So I gotta load it even more. There has to be an easier way. Perhaps you guys will find it for me. As I continue to find out, scroll down, I finally find it. Here it is, the TA picnic sign up. I'm gonna click the 3-dot button on the right and I can reopen the chat. And then this will allow you to see what I created, and it will allow you to update any apps you have. But it's a long way to get to that point. Like, why aren't they visible? I don't know. If you find the answer, there is a reward, a rich reward in your favor. I'll be back with part 2. Okay, now it's time to get to the fun stuff. How do you create apps, interactive apps using Canva Code? So we're back in the Canva environment. We're going to scroll over to the left where we see our vertical toolbars or tool selections. If we scroll down, we're going to find Canva AI. If you don't see it, click the 3-dot more menu and you'll be able to find some more things there, and you should find Canva AI. Just click it, and then over here, it's an opportunity for us to write exactly what we want to design. This is just natural language. We don't have to know coding. Down at the bottom, there's some of the things that Canva AI can do. We're going to select the tool that says code. Then we're going to put our prompt in. I have it ready to go here. It says create a picnic potluck sign-up website, 3 columns, and it said the types of columns. So I want a place for name, a drop-down menu for items. Right, you can put whatever you want in here. I said choose fun emojis and colors. You can define the types of emojis that you want here and the types of colors. You can also use the click an image to attach. That was not working earlier. I'm not really sure why, so I'm going to leave that out for now. And then I'm going to say, just to show you how it works, I want earth tones with a grass like background, clean and easy to read. You can specify the colors. You might even want to drop in the actual hex code colors to get exactly what you want. But I usually like to start like this and then see what it comes up with and then work with Canva to get exactly what I want. So I'm going to click the submit button, and you're going to see that it starts to do its thinking and do its thing. I'm going to stop sharing, and then we'll come back to it when it's finished. During our session today, I talked about something called persistent data collection. I can see that that's already set up here because Canva has created a Canva sheet. So you can see that sheet right here. It actually creates a spreadsheet that I can click on and see all the details of the people that have signed up. And that tells me that it gives me the assurance that when people do sign up, no matter what computer they're on, it's going to be shown here. And that's what we want. We want people to see what everybody has signed up for so we don't get duplicates. So I'm going to go ahead and just ensure that that is taking place. So I'm going to ask Canva, does this have data persistence set up? Just to make sure. And it's going to tell me yes. So there it is. Yes, your picnic potluck already has full data persistence set up. So here's how it works. It says the data saves to a Canvas sheet. If you refresh the page or come back, all signups are still there. I kind of love it. And look at this. There's a limit protection. The code won't let you add more than 999 signups. 999. Some of you are going to have parties that are big. Maybe Anna will have a party like that. You can have 999 guests. Let's go. And then it works. So now you just define it a little bit. If there's things you don't like, we said we like those bouncing emojis. You could put more information there if you want, but that's how easy it is to set up. I'm going to go ahead and show you the final step, which is just to publish. So you click publish. And we didn't give it a name, so we do want to give this a name. Right now it's untitled, so we'll call it Picnic Potluck Jam, just to make it different. I don't know. And then we click publish. And that's all it is. It's gonna rain confetti in a little bit to tell me that my website is ready to go. I can copy this, and now I can share that with people through a text message or email, and everybody is now able to sign up for the potluck, and you can have a party like ours today. That's how easy it is. All right. I hope that you have a party. I hope you have a potluck, and I hope that I get invited. All right. See ya.